Alright, what is up, guys? I am starting a new survival series called The Quest for the Enchantment Table. Basically, in this series, we are going to play, it's going to be a regular survival, and once, the way that we finish the game is basically what it says in the title, we get an enchantment table. So I will also be, like, commentating and showing you how to survive, basically, in survival. So really, in survival, first thing you want to do is find the closest tree. I'm gonna go over here and get this tree, because wood is the most important resource in this game. Okay. So now that I have got some wood, I'm going to make some planks. Once I make these planks, I'm gonna obviously make crafting bench, most important thing. And I'm gonna now just look for a place to live. I see this mountain over here. It looks like it's a solid place to live. So we're gonna try to make our house in this mountain right here. So also the second most important thing you want to do is find coal. So you should probably try to find some coal. And I see something over here. Alright, beautiful, coal. Alright, so we'll go back over there. Oh, actually, I'll just do it right here. I'll just do this quickly. Get some sticks. Get that. Okay. So I'll leave that there for now. And let's get as much cobblestone as we can with this. Once we. Ooh, there's a pig up there. Okay, that should be enough. We have 16 pieces. Let's go back over here and let's craft a stone pickaxe. Okay, we're gonna get some coal. Like, the worst thing in Minecraft that you can do when you're surviving is go through a night without any light. Then zombies are gonna kill you and everything. That's not very good. Okay, so let's just get some more coal here. Okay, there, get that. Get some of this, get some of that. This is a big, a lot of coal. I didn't expect this much, but I can use it as much as I can get. Oh, alright, let's get that. Okay. Get some of that, get some of that. Okay, I think that's everything. I think I got all the coal. I'll leave that for later. Let's kill this pig for some food first, because... Yeah, where'd it go? Pig, come here, pig. Oh, dang it. Come here. Come on. Alright, good. Alright, so we have some food. So I'll just take the crafting bench and we'll head over to the place where we're gonna be food. So, just keep it. Oh, let's make it right there. That's good. Right there. You want to make it somewhat high enough so, like, zombies can't really get there. So yeah, this will be good. Right about here. Okay, once this is here, let's just get out now. Okay. Right now, I'm not really caring how it looks. We're just like building it because we're just trying to survive right now. Okay, I'm gonna put that crafting bench right there. And I'm gonna seal this up with some cobble. Get the rest of it. Get through. Put the door, place it out here. Okay. Got some torches, because you can always use some torches. There we go. Use that article for later. And we'll put a torch right here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's make a furnace. Just in case we need it for later. Alright, yeah, just make it now. And yeah. Okay, let's expand. Hopefully we can find something in this place. Let's see. We'll keep on looking. Well, this should be good for now. We'll just keep it like this, and we'll start digging a step. Go deep there. Ooh, you know what we need? We need some sheep. Yeah, that's what we need. We have to kill some sheep so we can make a bed. Set our spawns in case we die. We don't want to be spawning somewhere where we have no idea where we are. Some cows. I can use those cows for later. I'll go for some sheep. There's so many flowers. I'm looking and I don't see any sheep. Yeah! Wow. Must have jinxed it or something. Kill a sheep. Get him. Get him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Yeah, hit him. There we go. That's one piece of wool. Let's see. Where else are there? Yeah, here's another one. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Here. What? Oh yeah, 2 pieces. I need one more piece of wool. There he is. He's not even suspecting us. Hi, ninja! Oh, he's running away. Get him! Get him! Get him! Yeah. Alright, now we should head back to our house. Which is over here. We should put a torch there. I'll put a torch there so we don't forget where it is. Oh, we're already like starving, so we should. No. Yeah, that's good. We should get some food. Okay. Make a sword so it goes a little faster. I'll put a torch here too. Okay, so let's see. So we have to get some sticks. Okay, get one of them. Put it there. Put it there. Why do we even have flowers? These are different. Let's go kill some pigs. There we go. Get this guy. Bam. Boom. Got him. Okay, it's 4 pieces. I saw a lot of pigs before. This one. We'll never see this one. I can. There. That's a pop. 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 Yeah. Alright, so that's 8 pieces. That's enough for that. That's enough. Let's go back to the house and cook it. Get some steak. Yummy, yummy steak. Oh god, wrong way. Okay, let's just go this way. Walk around the tree, walk over here to the tree. No, not. Okay, let's see. Yeah, get out of the way. Okay, walk in, close the door. Alright, so far I'm pretty sure we're doing pretty well for our first day in Minecraft. Yeah. There we go. No, dang it, no, I don't want that. Okay, that's so good, so let's keep on mining down. Keep on mining, keep on mining, keep on mining till the coal pops out. Keep on mining. You find some iron. Get some more coal at least. That'd be good. You can never use too many torches. You never want a zombie spawning and killing you. Oh wait, we forgot to make a bed. Should probably do that before it gets burnt. Okay, let's see. So bed, let's stay across like that. These. There we have a bed. Parachutes, make sure to see all lit up so we don't get any zombies spawn in here. Put one there, just in case. We can never put enough. Okay, so we'll just get this. Alright, let's see. Can we cook pork? Oh, there. Need some of it. That was waste, but whatever. Let's keep on mining. Wait, let's just see if. Yeah, we'll be fine. Let's just keep on going. Okay, hopefully we can find some more good resources. Also, someone's gonna hurt with this. Oh, what? Okay. Guess we're not very far down. If we're hitting dirt here, we'll be fine. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't. Oh, whatever. My son will hate me. Yep. Okay. Nothing still. Let's put. I hit my way fast. Maybe. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. A beautiful axe, so I can get the wood faster. There we go. We have a weapon, so that's good. Here's that. Okay, let's get some wood. Chop some wood. Get wood. Get wood. Get wood. Get wood. Get wood. Get in wood. Get in wood. Get in wood. Get wood. Get wood. Keep on mining. Keep on mining. Keep on mining. Basically, just want to mine get as much wood as we can. I say mine, so we're not mining, we're chopping down. Alright, I'm chopping down the wood, chopping it, taking it into little blocks. Okay, there we go. Get some of that, get some of that, get some of that, get some of that. Okay, how much wood do we have? We have some 11, 17. Alright, so we have a good amount. Some more. Oh, that cheater is staring at me like, what'd you do, my friends? What'd you do? Good, good. I'm a murderer. Ah. I'm scared. Anyway, get to some last tree, because that should be enough wood to last us for a while. So, once we get this wood, let's run away! Run! Run away! Oh my god, I just saw stopping! Run away! Run away! Run away! Ouch! Ouch! That, I broke my legs. Broke my legs. Jump! 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 Okay, get back in here. So, Let's do that. So we need a pickaxe. Okay. Use this. Okay. Get some more. Oh, we should make a shovel. Okay. Get a shovel. We need this wood over here. Get a shovel. Oh my god. Okay then. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Now we know not to dig there. Okay, so we are about sea level. Obviously, we just said sea. Okay, let's keep mining. We will hit a cave, but we don't necessarily have to hit a cave yet. So, let's see, how long has this been? Alright, so I guess that'll be the end of the first part of this video, so I guess I'll see you in the next video, and just comment and see if you like this. Ooh, and that's perfect way to end the video, with that perfect piece of iron right there. So I'll see you in the next part of this series. So I hope you like this series. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.